Everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how we can create a desktop shortcut for your game in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Games, View Games Library, and now you want to right click on a game, go to Properties, and then create a desktop shortcut. Our shortcut has been created and placed on your desktop. So when I would go to my desktop, I can see it right here. And it's been created. Pretty easy, pretty simple, and this is how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.